Hi there. For those of you that have been following my blog, you'll know that I've been working on an electronic dice project to teach my son how to do some layout in Protel and a schematic capture, board layout, and ultimately programming. Well, the project's got a little out of hand, and lately we've been CNC milling a case for this dice project out of plexiglass. So here's the final result. It's turned out rather well. The base we've milled out a 1/4 inch plexi, and then we've also made a top for the case with 1/8 inch plexi. So there's some better pictures on the blog of this little device, and right now I'm going to show you how we milled the base, the test mill, in some fiberboard. It took about 10 minutes. I've got it sped up so it'll be a little less boring for you. Anyway, enjoy.